Stan Gibilisco here. The little bit of stuff from my book, Advanced Physics Demystified, a link to which you will find in the description of this video so that you can go to the Amazon page and look at the book advertisement and also the preview material, which they have been so kind as to include, so that you can get an idea. Look at the table of contents, see what's in this book. Now, when I say advanced physics, it starts out with linear motion and things like that. I guess it means that there's calculus in it, and you can see that right here. You can see a little evidence of that right here. It doesn't mean that it's really all that advanced from the standpoint of a college student, but it is rather advanced at the high school level. So, Advanced Physics Demystified, and I will go now to Chapter 8, Figure 8-3. This is an apparatus that has been used to measure the actual force of gravitational attraction between two known masses of quite ordinary magnitude, like, for example, a couple of rocks that you might actually be able to lift. It comprises a fixed support, a very thin fiber which can easily twist, a flat mirror, and then a rigid assembly with a counterweight whose mass equals the mass of the first object, m sub 1. Then you bring m sub 2 near it, and the slight, very weak force of gravitational attraction will cause this rigid assembly to rotate just a very tiny fraction of 1 degree. Way too small to see, most likely. But if you have a narrow beam light source, such as a laser, that will shine a very narrow beam at this flat mirror from many kilometers away, that beam will bounce off the mirror, and you can have a calibrated screen to measure the deflection that this device experiences as a result of bringing mass m2 near mass m1. And this has actually been shown to work, and it will work in the gravitational field of the Earth. You don't have to be in outer space to do it. In fact, it wouldn't work in outer space where there is a weightless environment, because this thin fiber would not be taut. It would just flop around. So that is the from Chapter 8, Figure 8-3 in my book, Advanced Physics Demystified, published by McGraw-Hill. Again, I will include a link to this Amazon page in the description of this video, in the hopes that you might be interested enough to purchase the book. Well, I hope so. Stan Gibilisco, signing off for now. Until next time, so long.